Welcome to the comparison between two popular travel tracking applications, Findpenguins and Polarsteps. Both of these apps offer unique features that allow travellers to document their journeys, share with others, and keep track of their travel stats. Today we'll deeply dive into their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, performance, security, support, scalability, and ideal users to help you decide which one best fits your needs. Findpenguins offers a feature where you can create individual footprints at different locations, add photos, and write about your experiences. You can also track your travel stats and share your journey. Polarsteps, on the other hand, automatically tracks your route and places you've visited. You can add photos, notes, and even create a travel book. Both have offline mode, but Polarsteps stands out with its automatic travel route tracking. Findpenguins allows free usage with limited features. However, for full access including HD photo uploads and ad-free experience, you'll need the Pro version, which costs $19.99 per year. Polarsteps is free, but they offer a Plus subscription at $28.99 per year that includes HD photos, offline maps, and priority support. In terms of pricing, Polarsteps offers a bit more for a slightly higher cost. Both apps have user-friendly interfaces, however Findpenguins has a cleaner and more intuitive design. The process of creating footprints and adding photos is straightforward. Polarsteps' automatic tracking feature is convenient, but the interface can be a bit cluttered with information. In terms of user experience, Findpenguins takes the lead due to its simplicity. Findpenguins supports integration with various social media platforms for easy sharing. Polarsteps also allows sharing but offers additional integration with external GPS devices for more accurate tracking. This makes Polarsteps a better choice if you're looking for robust integration capabilities. Both apps perform well and have offline modes for when you're in areas without internet. For security, both use encryption to protect your data. Polarsteps uses automatic tracking, which may raise privacy concerns for some. However, it's optional and can be turned off. There's little to separate the two here, it largely depends on your preference. Findpenguins offers standard customer support via email. Polarsteps offers email support and a comprehensive FAQ on their website. Both apps can handle a large number of footprints or steps. However, Polarsteps' Plus subscription offers priority support, giving it a slight edge in this category. After our comparison, the winner is Polarsteps. Despite its slightly higher cost, it offers more features like automatic travel tracking and GPS device integration. Plus, its priority support ensures you get assistance when you need it. However, if simplicity and a clean interface are your priorities, Findpenguins is a great alternative. Thank you for watching this comparison of Findpenguins and Polarsteps. We hope this helps you choose the right travel tracking app for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos. Safe travels!